Imagine you have extra money to do whatever you want. Creative personal projects, start your own community organization to help others, travel, support your family with medical bills and care, anything you want. For a lot of us, this seems impossible. Some of us aren't born into wealth. Some of us are artists who want to pursue our passions but are constantly being told that we need a plan B that will actually make us money. But the thing is, becoming a millionaire is possible. There is a way for your money to work for you rather than you working for money. Dylan, why the heck are you talking about money when you make videos on the college application process? Well, yes. The reason I came on YouTube in the first place was to share strategies around the college application process that were helpful for me. My whole philosophy is I want to make information that should be accessible to you guys. And that can be whether we're talking about just college applications and getting into college, but that can also be about life and finances. And so as I'm learning about that myself, I want to share the same knowledge with you. I will share my whole personal story of how I'm now working with a financial advisor for free and I've started investing at age 19. But first I want to address something. Why didn't they teach us this in school? Why does our parents not know about this? Why is this information so inaccessible for people who aren't already born into wealth and have an understanding of how money works? Why am I only learning this information because I have a financial advisor? Why can't everyone have this information? And people are always telling us, oh, put your money in a savings account. Or maybe they're telling you, you need to invest, but nobody teaches you how. Can you tell this is something I've been frustrated with for a while now? I knew I wanted to make my money grow, but I didn't know how. And if you already know all this information, good for you. But the most of us didn't have this kind of financial education. What society teaches us is the road to success is working really hard in school and getting good grades, going to a good college, getting a high-paying job, and working for the rest of your life in order to stay afloat. That's the system. But the system is messed up, as we probably know by now. The truth is, we don't have to be fully dependent on our jobs in order to have money. There is a way to build your wealth so that you can actually spend time doing the things that make you happy. All it takes is commitment. There is minimum effort on your part, and you don't even have to work even more than you already are now with your current job. When you invest, your money grows in your sleep. I was shocked when I found out that all I had to do was set up an account that makes reoccurring payments each month and then invest that money into a highly trusted mutual fund. Literally, you just set it up and it does it automatically. I don't even have to do anything. It's already set up on my account. And so now you're probably saying, oh wow, that seems like a super easy way to make a bunch of money and become a millionaire. So why don't people do this? One is that they're not educated about it and don't even know that this is an option. Two is that even if we do know that it exists, we don't understand it and so we get scared and we resist. Has someone ever talked to you or your family about finances or investing and you're just like, no, can't deal with that right now. No, I'm just gonna work my job, okay, I'm fine. We are scared of learning this information when it can really benefit us. It only takes a little bit of effort to educate yourself, talk with someone who can help you, and then get those accounts set up. And I promise you, going through that little hurdle is completely worth it. So in order for you to make that commitment to start building your wealth, you need to have an understanding first. And by having that understanding, you will empower yourself. This is literally what I'm going through right now, guys. Like I said earlier, when people talk about money, people are like, put it in a savings account. And while yes, savings accounts are wonderful, a savings account will not grow your money. It's just sitting there. So if you have a recurring payment into a savings account, it will probably look like this, very linear growth. But if you set recurring payments and invest your money will start to go like that. Exponential increase because of compound interest. I'm not gonna get too technical here, but another thing I wanna say is you need to start now. I'm talking to all you high schoolers, all you college students, all you Gen Z millennials, start now. And here's why. Let's say that starting at age 19 until age 26, you invest $2,000 per year. And then after you're 26, you don't put any more money back in. That money's gonna grow to a whopping $2 million and some dollars by the time you're 65. Now let's say you don't start any of this investing stuff until you're 27 years old. And then from 27 to 65 years old, you put $2,000 every single year into the account. First of all, that is way more of your hard-earned money that you're putting into this account than if you had just started at age 19 and stopped at age 26. But let's look at the numbers. How much do you have by the time you're 65? Only $1 million, when you could have had $2 million for putting in less of your own money. This is why it's so important for young people to have this information. This is not old people information. Society puts this mentality in our heads that financial education and building wealth only happens when we're older, when we have careers already. But that's BS. Because of compound interest, you can make millions of more dollars if you started early. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you how I'm starting to do this because I did start investing at age 19 and I'm really excited about it. So let me tell you my story. I was born into a family of artists who did not start off very wealthy. My family did not have any financial education like this, and they struggled financially. My mom immigrated from Taiwan at age 13, and for the past 30 years, she has been working as an actress and a dancer. She didn't know anything about money, she just wanted to pursue her passion. She kept resisting that pressure from her Asian family to become a lawyer or a doctor because she just wanted to be an artist. But now that she's reaching retirement age, she realizes she does not have enough money to carry her through her elder years. Not only for when she becomes old, but currently taking care of her dad who has Alzheimer's. If any of you guys saw my video where I shared my common application essay, this is who I'm talking about. We don't really think about when we're young how we're going to pay for our elder years, how we're going to pay for elder care, for facilities, for medical bills, but we need to start building wealth now. So my mom went on a pursuit to educate herself financially and teach me as well. I am so grateful that she was actually able to find us a financial planner for free. And this financial advisor has been wonderful. Shout out to Elon. He's helped me set up 2 accounts into highly trusted mutual funds, so that by the time I retire, I will have like $30 million in assets. And that's on top of whatever I make in my actual career. And how do we know this number? You can actually run the data based on the performance of the past 50 years for that mutual fund. This blew my mind, the fact that I could already look into the future and say, oh, I'm going to be a millionaire. Yeah, I already know that's gonna happen. I never thought that this was going to happen in my life. I thought the only way to become a millionaire like this is if you invent something like Instagram and then it blows up. And now I see that this is possible. And this is so exciting for me because in sometime in the future, maybe I can use this money for creative projects, for personal projects, for ways to give back, maybe start my own scholarship fund. I don't know, I'm just brainstorming here. And so while I'm still learning and going about this process, I want to help you guys too, not just with college apps, but with life. I would love to put you in touch with my financial advisor, and everything can be found in the link in the description. Because usually financial advisors won't even talk to you unless you have hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest. But the motto of this company is no family left behind, and I really admire that. Also, if you're wondering if this is a scam, it's not, I promise. I'm doing it for myself and my own finances. And if you're wondering like, okay, how is this guy free? My advisor doesn't take any of my money. He only gets paid by the financial institutions once I decide to invest in a fund. So this is really helpful to build your wealth and gain financial freedom. Please fill out the form in the description if you are interested in getting more resources and information on this. And I'm actually hosting a webinar for you guys this Thursday, December 10th at 6 p.m. Pacific time. My financial advisor will be giving the presentation, and I really hope that you can show up so that you can start educating yourself on these matters. Invite your friends and also have your parents come too, because they might have not learned this information either. I do have to say though, this information can only be applied to people in the United States. But if you are in the United States, please come, please fill out the registration link. I would love to see you there. And for last words, I just want you to know that financial freedom is attainable. It is possible for you. That's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful. I know it was a little different than what I usually do, but I'm passionate about this. So, all right, have a good day.